Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. And today we're diving into the world of open source intelligence, or OSINT. Kali Linux is the go-to operating system for cybersecurity pros and ethical hackers. It comes preloaded with a ridiculous amount of tools. Today, we're focusing on 20 tools that will change how you find information online. We'll break down each one and show you what they do. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's jump into the world of OSINT with Kali Linux. First up, we've got Nmap. And let me tell you, this tool is like having a digital detective at your fingertips. Imagine being able to take a single piece of information, like an email address, and then boom, Nmap scours the web, digging through social media profiles, online forums, you name it, to build a comprehensive profile of whoever is on the other end of that email. It's seriously impressive. And the best part is, it's super user-friendly. So, you ever wonder who's behind that anonymous online profile? Well, wonder no more, because Maltego is here to pull back the curtain. This tool sifts through mountains of data, looking for those subtle clues that link anonymous accounts to real people. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, but instead of cardboard pieces, you're dealing with IP addresses, usernames, and timestamps. And trust me, when Maltego finds a match, it's pretty much a mic drop moment. Alright, let's talk about the Harvester. And this one is a real beast when it comes to features. Not only can it do email and domain reconnaissance, but it also packs in IP address and subdomain gathering. It's like the Swiss Army knife of OSINT tools, ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. And the interface is surprisingly intuitive. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Some of these tools sound pretty advanced. But reconning is designed with accessibility in mind. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this tool is easy to use. The interface is clean, commands are straightforward, and there's plenty of documentation. If you want a tool that's easy to pick up, reconning is worth checking out. With Shodan, ensure you have the necessary prerequisites before starting. Make sure you've got the required dependencies, like specific libraries and API keys. Once sorted, it's smooth sailing. Getting your setup right saves headaches later. We'll cover prerequisites in detail later. Alright, time to see Spiderfoot in action. We want to find out more about a website. Enter the domain name and hit enter. Spiderfoot scans the site, returning valuable information. IP addresses, server locations, and technologies used. This info is valuable for cybersecurity and competitive analysis. Chapter 7, Tool 7, Census, the Standout Contender. Now there are a few tools out there that do something similar to Census, but here's what sets this one apart. First off, the level of detail it provides is unmatched. We're talking granular data points that other tools often miss. And then there's the speed. Census churns through data like nobody's business, giving you results in a fraction of the time. Chapter 8, Tool 8, Foca, the Team Player. One of the things I love about the OSINT tools in Kali is how well they work together, and Foca is a perfect example of that. It seamlessly integrates with other tools like mention-compatible tools. This means you can easily pipe data between them, creating a supercharged OSINT workflow. It's like building your own custom investigation toolkit. Chapter 9, Tool 9, Metagoofle, Keeping Up with the Times. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and the team behind Metagoofle knows that. They're constantly pushing out updates, adding new features, and improving performance. This dedication to staying ahead of the curve is what makes Metagoofle such a valuable asset in any OSINT arsenal. It's always adapting, always getting better, and that's what you want in a tool you rely on. Now, no tool is perfect, and that includes OSINT Framework. One thing to keep in mind is its potential limitations or drawbacks. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but something to be aware of. The developers are transparent about this limitation and are actively working on improvements. One of the great things about open source tools like Google Docs is the amazing community support behind them. If you ever run into any issues, have questions, or just want to connect with other users, there's a vibrant online community ready to help. The documentation is top-notch, there are forums buzzing with activity, and you can even find tutorials and guides created by other users. Alright, let me share a few pro tips for getting the most out of the Harvester. First off, make sure you're utilizing the domain search feature to its fullest potential. Another tip is to experiment with different search operators to refine your results. The more you explore the tool's capabilities, the more you'll discover its hidden gems. Reconning has been making waves in the cybersecurity community, and for good reason. It's been instrumental in mentioning a notable success story or case study. The tool's ability to mention the key feature that led to the success proved invaluable in describe the outcome. It's a testament to the real-world impact these tools can have. And as more and more people discover the power of reconning, we can expect to see even more success stories like this in the future. When it comes to OSINT tools, reliability is key, and Shodan delivers on that front. In my testing, it's been rock solid, consistently providing accurate results without any hiccups. The performance is also top-notch, even when dealing with large data sets. It's clear that the developers have put a lot of effort into making this tool robust and dependable, and that peace of mind is invaluable when you're relying on these tools for critical tasks. Now, before we move on, it's crucial to talk about responsible and ethical use. With great power comes great responsibility, and these OSINT tools should always be used within the bounds of the law and ethical guidelines. Make sure you're familiar with the terms of service of any platform you're accessing information from, and always respect people's privacy. Remember, these tools are meant to empower us, not to be used for malicious purposes. Chapter 16, Tool 16, Census, Setting Up Shop. Alright, let's get Census up and running. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Open up your terminal, type in mention the installation command, and hit enter. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the tool by typing mention the launch command. Chapter 17, Tool 17, Foca, a user-friendly experience. One of the things that impressed me about Foca is its user-friendly design. The interface is clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate. You've got all your key features readily accessible, and the workflow just feels intuitive. Even if you're new to OSINT tools, you'll find yourself right at home with this one. Now, here's the best part. Metagoofle is completely free to use. That's right, all this power is available at your fingertips without costing you a dime. It's open source software, meaning it's developed and maintained by a community of passionate individuals. So you can benefit from these incredible tools without breaking the bank. It's a win-win situation. So to recap, OSINT Framework is an absolute must-have for any OSINT enthusiast. It's powerful, versatile, and can uncover a wealth of information. Whether you're into cybersecurity, investigations, or just curious about the online world, this tool has something to offer. So definitely give it a try and see what you can discover. And finally, we have Google Docs. This one is a bit more specialized, focusing on advanced search techniques using Google. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments below. Have you used any of these tools before? Which ones are you most excited to try out? Let me know down below, and let's keep the conversation going. The world of OSINT is vast and constantly evolving, and I'm excited to explore it further with all of you. That's it for today's video, everyone. We've explored 20 incredible OSINT tools to change how you find information online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech insights. Hit the notification bell to not miss future uploads. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.